Iminwe emininzi isakhomba kusekela mongameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngesiganeko saseMarikana nanjengoko abantu ukuquka imibutho yezopolitiko besola yena ngokuphalala kwegazi. Isithethi se-ANC uZizi Kodwa uthi imibutho yezopolitiko idibanisa uRamaphosa nenyikitya yaseMarikana ngenjongo yokuzuza amanqaku ezopolitiko.
Ziyishumi nambili ngenyanga kaNcwaba ngonyaka ka-2012 lesi sibhicongo esaqobuka sadlula nemphefumulo abantu abangama-34 ubuningi bekhishwa umphefumulo ngamaphoyisa abeqhulula izinhlamvu ezama ukuhlakaza labafokozi. Ngalo mbhekisho namanje kusolwa amaphoyisa ngesandla sendlakadla. Kodwa-ke iqembu le-ANC lithe kubalulekile ukuthi beyiqembu bafundeni kulezi zenzo zabudedengu.
That tragedy, it has changed the labor landscape in the country in terms of labor dispute, because what precipitated that tragedy was, among others, inability of social partners to agree and find a solution. That's why, unfortunately, it came what it became, which I think is a lesson for all of us in a democratic country.
Selokhu lesibhicongo sadlula abekho abantu abathathelwa ezinqala izinyathelo ngabaholi abalumbanisekayo ngokuphalala kwegazi labafokozi.
Nothing much has been done. Yes. And I think part of what I think government, in particular mining companies, because government must enforce mining companies to contribute to the mining companies, to the mining communities. So as we commemorate the tragedy of 2012, but it's important that we must move with speed to transform the mining sector, including changing the lives, social conditions of mining communities.
Njengoba i-ANC kolonyaka ngenyanga kaZibandlela izohlonza ingqungquthela yokukhetha ubuholi obusha, leli qembu lithali navalo ngephini likaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ohlobanayo nalesi sibhicongo.
Those who are looking at that event as some form of political mileage, they will continue to harp on the fact that it was the ANC that was responsible. The ANC was not responsible for that incident. It was a tragedy. For us, there is nothing wrong with people who continue to make statements that in themselves hold no water or substance. The Deputy President and others have been cleared by the Commission of Inquiry, full stop.
Imindeni eyakhathamezeka ngokulahlekelwa ngamalungu emndeni yabo isililo sisafana namanje. Imindeni isakudinga ukukhongozela amademeshe ezinxephezelo kulandela ukuthi iningi likhala ngokushawa indiva. Sakhile, Sithole, kwezindaba zeSoweto TV edolobheni eGoli.